everyone, today we will play a quiz on word problem. The word problem based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division as well as measurement related some word problems I have given here. So you know the system of playing quiz. You know that you will get 1 minute per question, and you have to answer it in the comment section. Look at the first question. If the weight of 10 iron balls is 50 kg, 10 iron balls is 50 kg, find the weight of 7 balls in gram. Find the weight of 7 balls in gram. Options are given. Option A 35 kg, option B 5 kg, option C 35,000 gram. When you are solving any kind of word problem, read the question properly. What is given and what we have to find out. First you mark it. Then you will get the answer easily. If the weight of 10 iron balls is given, you have to find out 7 balls. How to do it? Now, it is our second question. If the combined weight of 10 oranges and box, means 10 oranges are kept in a box, that box weight is 120 kg, and if the weight of the box is 10 kg only, find the weight of a orange. Weight of a orange means one orange weight you have to find out. So how to do it? So 10 oranges plus box weight is 120 kg and the weight of the box is given 10 kg. The weight of the box is given 10 kg. Find the weight of each orange, means one orange. So you have to find one orange weight, not 10 oranges. You have to find one orange weight. Options are given. So what will be the answer? Now third question. All of Bella's photos are in 8 photo books. Each photo book has 25 photos. Each photo book has 25 photos. Which expression shows how to find the total number of photos of Bella has? Let me read again. All of Bella's photos are in 8 photo books. Each photo book has 25 photos. Which expression shows how to find the total number of photos Bella has? Options are given. Option A 25 divided by 8, 25 minus 8. Option C 25 plus 8. Option D 25 into 8. So what will be the correct answer? Now it is our fourth question. Malik has 240 CDs. He sorted them into 12 equal groups. Which expression shows how to find the number of CDs in each group? So it is very easy question. Malik has 240 CDs. He sorted them into 12 equal groups. Which expression shows how to find the number of CDs in each group? Option A 240 divided by 12. Option B 240 divided minus 12. Option C 240 plus 12. And option D 240 into 12. So what will be the correct answer? Means here you have to find the expression. So what will be the right expression? This is our question number 5. Teresa had a bag of 72 marbles. Teresa had a bag of 72 marbles. She put the marbles into 9 equal groups. Which number sentence shows how to find the number of marbles Teresa put into each group? put into each group? Option A, 72 divided by 9 equals to 8. Option B, 72 minus 9 equals to 63. Option C, 9 plus 72 equals to 81. And option D, 9 divided by 72 equals to 0.125. So which one will be correct? So you have to give the answer. Whenever you give the answer, please write down. Now let us read our 6th number question. Tom has 12 books to read a certain number of books. 12 weeks to read a certain number of books. He will spend 2 weeks to reading each book. 2 weeks reading each book. Which expression can Tom use to find the total number of books he will read? That means Tom has 12 weeks to read a certain number of books. He will spend 2 weeks reading each book. 2 weeks reading each book. Which expression can Tom use to find the total number of books he will read? So here we can check the option and give the answer. Now it is our 7th number question. Length of a roll of rope is 100 meter long. 2 lengths measuring 25 meter, 75 centimeter and 32 meter, 7 meter are cut off. 2 lengths measuring this and this are cut off. How much rope is left? How much rope is left? So total length of the rope is 100 meter and 2 lengths measuring 25 meter, 75 centimeter and 32 meter, 7 centimeter are cut off. So how much rope is left? So check the options. Option A, 27 meter, 9 centimeter. Option B, 42 meter, 22 centimeter. Option C, 42 meter for 18 centimeter. And option D, none of this. So what will be the correct answer? Choose it and give the answer in the comment. Let's see what is given in the 8 number question. Weight of 1 potato bag is 2 times more than 1 tomato bag. 2 times more than 1 tomato bag. Tomato bag weighs 28 kg. Only 28 kg. Find the total weight of both tomato and potato bags. Find the total weight of both tomato and potato bags. So weight of 1 potato bag is 2 times more than 1 tomato bag. Tomato bag weighs 28 kg. Find the total weight of both potato and tomato bags. Option A, 86 kg. Option B, 83 kg. And option C, 84 kg. And option D, none of this. So what will be the correct answer? Give the answer. Question number 9. A shopkeeper has 10 kg of rice. He must put them into packets of 250 gram. How many packets are needed to fill all the rice? See the question. A shopkeeper has 10 kg of rice and he must put them into 250 grams packets. So here he needs to divide that 10 kg rice into 250 gram. So how many 250 grams packets he need to fill by rice? So what you have to do here? I will not tell you the process. So you have to think, and the answer is given 30, 40, 45 and 50. It is very easy. Just check the question. Question number 10. A packet of sweet weighs 2 kg, 575 grams. If the packet weighs 225 grams, then what is the weight of sweet? The answer options are also given. 2250 gram, 2150 gram, 2 kg, 350 gram and none of this. So this is our last question. and you have to answer all the question. And today there is no worksheet, so you have to do one thing. You can do one thing, that you can write each and every question of this quiz, and you can write the statement as well as the process. You can do the process in your copy. So it will be a homework for you, that you have to write all the question of the quiz and you have to write the answer properly. Okay, but the short answer you can give in comment section, so that I can check your answers.